What we have found here is a classic example that explains the greed of capital, where you have a situation where employers employ illegal foreign nationals because they pay them less.
Our government is seemingly stepping up and cracking down on businesses not complying with immigration and labor law.
Let me tell you, let me take you. For the sake that you think by employing more than 200 South Africans, you've got a right to employ 80. Wait. That's what you are saying. Wait. Listen.
Kill our kids. We are sick and tired of bullshit. I'm telling you, I want our government to know this. We are sick and tired of these people. Around the country, please. Go, all of you, please. Take everything within your task.
Sure. Jimmy, langeni. Asifuna umuntu angene, sifuna abazipakele. Oi! Ja, das ist mal.
أنا دكانك وكاسام عدبا الدواء الوصي الشراء يا مركا بدك أنا هايستم
أنا أبوتي لون يمبونا umfana wethu lona owalayithwa lo mntwana ekugcineni ngelinye ilanga thina sizomshaya umphakathi walana simbulale kuzoyenzeka ngene emzini wabantu atshontshe something
izindaba mngidi said bring my phone let me show you his one side
man wena uthenisa ama drugs ubulala abantwana bethu sayisuthi induku yangezuthi ngithini sayicisha le camera.
Standing up for our country, man. That's it. I'm for our people, man. As always, that's Limpopo mentality. Besides Limpopo mentality, you don't want anyone to come from KZN and help you make Limpopo better.
Esikubona Nkosi njengoba sizela sizokhuleka enkosini sizokhuleka lapho. Ama-Nigeria, ama-Bangladesh, ama-Ethiopians, nama-Somali.
Ethiopians, Pakistan, wherever you come from, just go. You shit here. You sleep here. You shit here, you sleep here. And you're selling food to us. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Moyo ngcwele awusiyathenga shwele baba. Bengisebenzela ama-China la e-China City phakathi. Ama-China angiholela 600 rand ngeliviki. Nangiye toilet bathi quickla. Nangifika ngiyahlala e-toilet bayeza bazongihlola. No tea time, no lunch.
Uvele sithi na i-March and March ngeke besasebenzisana noNgizwe Mchunu. Kukhona izinsolo zemhlomlo ezisuka kosopolitiki nakosomabhizinesi ngenjongo zokudicela phansi i-March and March.
Dadewethu laba, dadewethu uJacinta ngapha, phakathi kweZululand ngapha bese ngiyima nesipilo sami esikhathini 21.
Ukuze mangabethi uhulumeni akekho umuntu onelungelo lokubheka amaphepha omnyumbi ngaphandle kwephoyisa no-Home Affairs usuke eqambela amanga mangafike ekwerekwere kwakho lithi licela ukuzoqasha ngeke uzubheka iphepha lakho uyobe sowuyiphoyisa noma uzobe sowusebenza Home Affairs.
Yeah. Why can't they do these events in Uganda?
Just like Lotto was saying, boycott, bro. Okay.
No, but I'm saying, why can't they do it in Uganda?
Why?
Because in Uganda, rebels will come.
This is Open Up Podcast. Welcome. Each and everyone that was speaking in the beginning of this video is part of this video. I have guys like Abonota. Today I was watching the Music Pulse. During the podcast, they happened to speak about things that are taking place in the music industry, and then they moved the topic to Mabahambe, and they spoke about that a little bit. So I managed to grab just a clip from that hall, episode. If you want to watch the whole episode, you can go to that podcast and watch it, because here it's just a clip, right? And also there are so many things that are taking place here in South Africa. I have a collection of a lot of videos, a lot of activities that different organizations are doing here in South Africa. We have the elections around the corner, so you will see a lot of these movements when we have elections, whereby the government officials are raiding shops and also checking if people have documents. And also we have March and March. March and March has been doing this. March and March actually started everything, so they are still on the ground, they are still working. I have Philo Mthakathi is part of this video. I heard also on social media that there was an issue between Ngizwe and him. Ngizwe is part of this video as well, explaining that. I found a clip of him explaining what happened. Please make sure that you like this video and also share your comment at home and subscribe to this channel, so that each and every time when I bring you videos like this one, they come to you as a notification. Without any waste of time, let's watch.
Bukan.
Abantu base South Africa bafowethu.
Lesathaleni lezinto esitolo. Hey, zifunani lezinto esitolo? Wasiza umphakathi wabaxoxa. Buka.
Moyo ngcwele. Awu siyathenga shwele baba. So sisi nithini? Oh sisi nifaka la?
Kunenkinga mama la ekhaya. Ziningi.
Sisi usinifaka la? Inyama nifaka la? Bese nihlanganisa nalokho. Buka. Kuthiwa yini lokho? Isoya.
Yeah.
Oh bese kuphuma ivoros.
Isoya imixwa namafutha nenyama.
Oh.
Ungakushuti mina.
Lutho. Oh.
Ngibhela ka TV.
Ake kuphela.
Why Maria?
Ya. Azakha nayenye la phakathi. Oh. Umshini okugaya lo ogaya ivosi.
Uyagaya la uyakhipha.
Oh ulikhipha ngapha. Okay.
Akufanele akusiyenza la ekhaya.
Yeah, now it's 11. They are coming back.
What are they going to?
Now, government is seemingly stepping up and cracking down on businesses not complying with immigration and labor laws. Labor Deputy Ministers Jomo Sibiya and Njabulo Nzuza led blitz inspections in the Pretoria area today. Those inspections were not welcomed and met with anger. 12 undocumented foreign nationals were arrested and now face deportation. Calls have been growing for government to take a hard stance on the employment of illegal foreigners. 2 business owners were also apprehended, and they face fines of up to 10,000 rand for each undocumented worker.
Let me tell you, let me take you, for the sake that you think by employing more than 200 South Africans, you've got a right to employ 8. Wait. That's what you are saying. Wait, listen. They don't. We wouldn't be taking them. We wouldn't be taking them. We wouldn't be. No, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like that.
When we come here, we come with professional immigration officers.
Oh, well done.
People with the skill.
And you are doing a wrong thing. You are doing a wrong job by employing them.
I'm trying my best.
No, we are
Yeah,
not.
But it's fine.
Your
We are
arrogance.
taking you in for
me, your arrogance matters.
Okay, as I said, that we have the elections that are around the corner, which is November. You'll see a lot of these activities, but it's very important that we don't take these things for granted because of these are the problems that we complain about, right? So if we have people that are actually dealing with those problems, we shouldn't look at things like the way I'm saying it. So we should just appreciate and work together with these officials since they are now active and working, right? Share your comment in the comment section. Write your comment, your opinion. I want to hear from you at home. What do you think about these clips that you have just watched? Let's talk about the first and the second clip, whereby it's like they were now taking the things out from the shop of these people that they are operating shops, about my friend, but you saw the cockroaches that are coming out from the very same stock that was meant to be sold to South Africans, you know. The second clip, I think they raided, I don't know if it's a butchery or what, but you saw how they make these votes that we buy. I don't know where they distribute it, but we buy it and you'll hear a lot of us saying, "Hi, yathengeka lapha ku cheap." And these are the things that we are buying from these people. Then you hear people that doesn't buy to this shop because of they are rich, they can afford, being the one that are talking too much, being the one that are defending illegal immigrants, while the people that are being affected by these things, the ones that are exposing these activities, are the ones that are complaining. And then, you know, so this is the issue that we are having. Share your comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
Eat, put it in your mouth. Eat everything.
Ona ubhuti lona ngiyambona umfana wethu lona owala ithwathwa lo mntwana ekugcineni ngelinye ilanga thina sizomshaya umphakathi walana simbulale kuzoyenzeka ngene emzini wabantu atshontshe something uyofa ezandleni zabo mama bakhe omalume bakhe umphakathi wakhe ngenxa yesimo asafike kuso. Ngalelo langa ngesisambone njengomntana wethu sizombona njengesigebengu esebaye emphakathini wethu ende thina sithulile sibhekile laba bantwana bethu bayaphela zidakamizwa phakathi wakithi. We need to put an end to drugs. We need to put an end to these people who are selling drugs in our communities. What are they doing to our future? Let me tell you, these children are not Nyaupe. Laba bantwana bethu in whom they are destroying ikusasa labo so that Tina, we have nothing tomorrow. I say government of South Africa must take them and put them ebusojeni or in the police training bahlale khona for 3 years and come back serve South Africa. Utune metric. The state has resources. The state can train him to become better and bring him in service of the country. Guys, we need a government who look at our children and feel the pain.
China la China City phakathi China angiholela 600 rand ngeliviki nangiye toilet bathi quickla nangifika ngiyahlala toilet bayeza bazongihlola no tea time no lunch no off Monday to Sunday 600 rand. They say as we are lazy, South African we are lazy, too much rights. No even if you want to go to clinic abafuni uye clinic you are working Monday to Sunday every day, you know 4 every day.
No tea time.
No tea time, no lunch.
No toilet.
No toilet. When you go to toilet, say, quickla. And office kala ngeti kalote tulana. Abantu bala iphathe China City. I South African manager yalana is from vendor. Uma nama China, uma China alright. Kimele silalele umthetho. Uma little China ngingayi lunch. Kunama customer kumele nisebenze. Ugo free uyimanager yala China City wase vendor. Akalweli thina ma South African. Ulwela ama China. Uthi akusebenze abantu basemalawi. Abanawo nimaphepha abantu basemalawi basebenza la phakathi ene bahola imali leningi undlula thina basemalawi
35 rand
sithi sikhathele ngeChina City uma bakhona labakhulu labakhona kuzosiza xa bazongenelela indaba seChina.
Look, these videos comes from real people like me and you, people who actually have problems, so people who actually take their phones and record and speak about the things that they are going through, right? So these are the videos that I'm sharing. People that are affected by a lot of things that we are currently talking about here in South Africa, right? That is why I said on my previous comment that I don't like these people that are out there vocal about what South Africans are complaining about. Why they don't go through these things that these people are telling us, you know. Let's talk about the second clip where you have watched. Just imagine you have raised your child and then he has matric. Instead of him continuing with his studies or finding a job, now he's addicted to drugs. He smokes Nyaupe. He's being called names now. And then when the parents are not happy about it and are fighting against those people who are distributing drugs to our kids, then you find people who are benefiting, you find our politicians calling them names, telling them that they are stupid, they are fools. The problems that they are complaining about are not real problems, are not the cause. The people that are complaining about are not the cause of their problems, right? Share your comment in the comment section. I'm saying this because of this lady is actually telling us what she's going through at work. The previous clip after that is the woman that is speaking on behalf of that boy that is seemingly to be a Nyaupe or a drug addict, because that's what we call them, you know. So it's not nice for anyone if you are a parent. So that's my opinion. Share your comment also in the comment section. Let's keep going.
To my friend, everything is sorted out. Where does it talk? Where's it talking? Sabuya ukata nomsangano wenzeka naye uliphatha uphela. Sabuya la samsana nokuphela. Lo msangano wenzeka uliphatha uphela. Kuzobuya thini? Kuzosuka nomhlambi lapho. Kuzobuya thini? Thola nje operator la uzosibona. Oh yeah, dlali la.
Lali la langene phakathi kwinabe nayo nesibophelana yena na so ngophoyisa somuntu inkinga yethu phakathi kusasa kuzobela inkinga yamaphoyisa ethu Yeah. You must do something because we must so weak. Please.
Stop you guys! Highway! I will stop them! You must stop us! I don't know what's happening. I want to fight! Wait!
Why are you fighting?
You are fighting who?
Who is fighting who?
People! Heaven, why? This one is where you put me? Where you put this man? I want to die here. I want to die here.
You want to die here? No, this is not your country, guys. No, this is not your country.
You are doing my show. I'm done here. I don't care. I know. I'm done here. My life is here. You are doing my show.
John!
John! John!
John! John!
I don't want that. That's why I said,
take everything, even your sure. Jimmy, ngangeni. Asifuni umuntu angene, asifuna bazipakele. Asifuni umuntu ukuthi bathi sithinte insenza. Umuntu akazipakele. Bazipakele bona.
Bayakhipha mphakathi. Bayakhipha mphakathi into zabo azihambe.
Right. Yaphumi impahla zabo.
Akusheshwe madoda, please make it fast. We have another shop to attend to.
Monday, we are giving him 2 days.
Leave.
Take everything, my friend. Take everything, my friend.
Go. The 48 Mapanjane Street. Yeah, Kavili. Yeah, Puma.
Makhelwane sikuveze. Sikuveze evidweni makhelwane.
Sesizafezeka isifiso sami sokulikhipha le ndiya ekhaya. Singilikhipile ke le ndiya ke. Liyaphuma.
Siyabonga Mavala ukhalile mphakathi wasicela ukuthi India lisafuna ukuphuma lizikhiyele besithi sifake igrinder manje naba bafikile bomphathi bathi hayi bazovula ngesihle bazozikhiphela istoko sabo. Siyabonga ngabe akavili vele hayi simengenye ngabe akavili simengenye nasuka la siyo attenda lesi2 ngiyacabanga namuhla sosebenza 2 yamandiya mphakathi 2 or 3 sonitshela no violence, no looting, no nothing. Sibacela ngesihle bakhiphe
Celani bakhiphe izindlu zenu zikurisk.
Khiphani nabantu indlu zenu zikurisk mphakathi. Nabantu bangena basafuna ukuhamba. Umagogo ukhala izinyembezi uthi bamthreatenishe ukuthi nangaphumi bona la indlu yakho uyayiluza ngazi kanjani masipala kusho ukuthi uyazi nangu umlungu wakhona uboss nangu uboss uthengile nepholo iJG 11 GFGP badla kahle imali yase South Africa mphakathi nalisuzu lasika thina sita ngesihlala ezitolo ngesithengise nayi imali yethu nayibona ithengile isuzu elifresh
nawo nomphakathi ukhona la uyasekela nawo
umphakathi ukhona sinawo wonke umuntu la yiki into esiyenzayo embi
Pack your bag, Baba. Pack and leave. Pack power and leave. Pack and leave.
na uyi-1 ungumastandi bazoku-overpower vele ha ifuna usibize sizokuncedisa
sibize amanamba sizowabhala ku-account yethu
ngitshela isitoko esingaka singene nini ngoba bekuvaliwe kuyi-march and march izitoko zakhishwa bona sebabuyisela isitoko siphelele vele baredi ukuthi bayobuye bavule bathi ama-South African izilima bazokwata babuye bacole basho njalo bathi sikwata iviki sibuye siyacola ngendlela basithatha ngayo abahambi labantu madoda umnotho waselokishini ubuye ebantwini bamnyama wasedrobheni maybe ungasihlula ngoba sina power sinamali asinanani mara sizameni ukuthatha umnotho waselokishini subuyisele elokishini asivukeni sibantu abayanga sibantu abancane abayapaka bayazihambela asinankinga
Oh! Oi, we foi! Oi! Ja, das ist mal. Defense! Ai Defense! Vai! Ni balegani! Ja, da phone! Oi, no, mamãe! Olha, fez aí sebenzile! Trabalha com pena, né? Exatamente, o mano com a grid! Com a grid, e back nisso! Yo, e tem! Whoa! Ai, não, ué! Morreu! Nizabuyisa lungisa elcingo. Nentalento kwalilizwe lelofaniya. Lelena lizwe. Oi, sebenza. Pega naka maphoyisa. Naka. Nali phoyisa. Naka maphoyisa. Kubulala umuntu man. Faka. Mbambe!
The people are doing exactly what the government officials and President Ramaphosa has been saying, that the people should work together with the police. So that's what exactly they are doing here, because of, if you have noticed in these clips, there are police in these videos that are there. I'm sure to just observe and make sure everyone is safe, you know. Share also in the comment section what you think about what you have watched so far. I just don't like what my brother was saying there, that no, this guy has left, we're not gonna open the shop, we are fine, no, my guy. I think it would be nicer if once you remove these people, then you make a plan, you do business. You open the tuck shop, because of, remember this tuck shop were like a shop of such and so a community, so we can't be closing them and not doing anything about it, you know. So that's my take. I don't know about you at home. Please share your comment and let's keep going.
Uvele zithina iMarch and March ngeke besasebenzisana noNgizwe Mchunu. Kukhona izinsolo zemhlomlo ezisuka kosopolitiki nakosomabhizinesi ngenjongo zokudicela phansi iMarch and March nokudayiswa ngomzabalazo. Lake ndathi ke kunina kanti ke nivala amehlo nimagine uNgizwe Mchunu esithi hayi emalini. uNgizwe Mchunu esithi hayi ndiyabonga ndiyifuna imali. Nasithuka ke nje ngesiqhelo ngoba nina xa nilandela umuntu nimlandela blindly. Nansi ke iMarch and March ithina isenza uphando uNgizwe Mchunu makeme, that means likhona ivumba elilandela uNgizwe Mchunu. Khonto eninukayo elandela uNgizwe Mchunu edibene nenkohlakalo nokudayiswa komzabalazo. Niyayiva ke ngoku.
Kodwa bangcono niyabona abantu abayingozi bawu4. Esikokuyibona Nkosi njengoba sizela sizokhuleka enkosini sizokhulekela bona. Ama-Nigeria, ama-Bangladesh, ama-Ethiopians nama-Somali. Nabo-ke abantu engizobaxosha lapha Nkosi laba ngoba kusenezwe lakithi khona silibuyise lapha kwaTembe sizogada nje ukuthi le tekisi ehlala ithutha abantu bayisale eMtuba ngoba ayikho into engayazi phela Nkosi ezizwe. Ngiyayeka nje kokunye ayikho into engayazi. Athi ngisho iphoyisa wephoyisa eligangayo la ngiyalazi. Ngeke phela ke lihambe kangaka izokungazi. Nami kukuthatha 12 years ngiyifunda lento ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Asithandi amaphoyisa aphelele umsebenzi makukhona iphoyisa eligangayo liyeke. Makukhona umuntu ohuyelisa abantu bokufika la ebafaka ngapha kayeke ngoba siyamazi kuphela ukuthi sisabheke okunye. Ogangayo nje akayeke ngoba lokhu manje kubuka nani niyabona ukuthi into eserious. Inabantu abaningi namakhosi ngoba eyithanda nje kunabantu abaningi abakhulu abalithanda izwe inkinga kukhulumeki nokudla emlonyeni. Bayafuna ukukhuluma inkinga kugcwele isigwamba emlonyeni. Sizuluke lesengisikhuluma.
And manje asibopheki umthetho siyawazi. Utatewethu laba, utatewethu ushasita ngapha, phakathi uyadlulundela ngapha bese ngiyima nesipiliyoni sami esikhathini 21. Ngiyima nesipiliyoni sami ukuthi hayi icrisis enje yayenzeka 5 years ago. Kwalutha abantu sikhuluma into abantu benze into. Namanje eClermont the biggest thing engizokuthi mina ngithi khaba kwethu icela focus la eClermont. Lokho kulutho kwedolo ngoba akho umshayeli umuntu osukuma la athi i-right yokulutho kwedolo. Mina ngikwazi ukubuka ukuthi la simemijele la ayilele sami kahle. La sekwenzekile into esingayimemezanga sithi lusekhuzi heliphatha abaholi sithi hayi ehlala phansi babumthetho. Bese ngizogcina ngaleli gama olithithile baba le time frame lodadewethu nabaholi bobena. Kuyiqiniso ebusuku ukuthi ibhizinisi lidinga iprofit lidinga i-maintenance. Bahamba bawucela iy'tili kwamagenqa basayikhokhela abanye bakhiphe ukuthi bazolayisha amagwele la. So manje zikhathi mina njengoba ngilapha ngenza kwethu ngithathe isinqumo sokuthi badelela abaholi noma ukhansela ngiyekile futhi. Ngiyecela ukuyinikela ngoba lento yokumashi idrati zonke ze-South Africa with the zero impact of a change, it will cost us. I decided that I want to focus la emhlabeni wakho bakhansela abaholi. Ukuthenini, can we make example of ukuthi lento iyenzeka? Ngoba yonke into iba ne-referral. There may be one island, they kept very that is mostly undermined. Less than 500,000 people, but they have been making impact. They are the example of the countries that got millions of people, but they have contributed higher performance in the World Cup. So, umphakathi waseClermont ungakwazi ukuguqula lento ngaphandle kwe-xenophobia, ngaphandle kwe-racism, ngaphandle kwe-crime ekuthenini sithi nabo baseClermont i-decision abayithathile bathi no foreigners. Container or supermarket or this. Okay.
What we have found here is a classic example that explains the greed of capital, where you have a situation where employers employ illegal foreign nationals because they pay them less.
Of the 47 employees found that night, 26 were undocumented foreign nationals.
Okay. Sisi, igama lakho bani? From?
Behind the production floor, workers live on the premises in shocking conditions.
This is this is the toilet. You look at this. Very filthy. Very filthy.
These crammed rooms packed in up to 10 workers with little more than a mattress on a wooden plank to sleep on.
They sleep here like pigs. It's like they are animals. Like you still there are no windows, nothing exactly.
No ventilation.
No ventilation, nothing. If Linda Wisha, they ain't gonna get down. At times about killing a pan.
Employees who'd fled the factory floor earlier emerged from underneath beds. The owner, Lefang Le, was unable to account for all his staff members.
How do you know how many people are working for you?
Your records, where you keep them? I don't keep land names. I don't keep land names. They're just working here every week, Friday.
It isn't just the lack of records that alarmed officials.
What they are paid is just something that we don't expect. We still have people here who are paid at 7 rands, who are paid at 18 rands an hour. They work from Monday to Sunday. So it's bad, it's terrible.
What would you say to someone sitting at home saying, but DM, this has been happening for years and your department knew about this?
At a certain point, everything must end. We can't say because it has been happening and we turn a blind eye and you allow it to continue.
Has to rebuild.
No, you are too much of Mabaham.
Yeah.
Imagine how the piano people, right, was hosted by Nigerian.
Mike. Even if it was hosted by a Nigerian, I'd be happy because he's bringing that money here. There was that Wave festival that happened last year.
He's not bringing money here. He's gonna.
It
Do you think white people will host something or will do a business without getting maximum profit?
They get maximum profit, but they still have
where
to
is the money going?
Pay South African service providers. They need to pay for the venues. Their venues are where? In South Africa. They're paying for that land. They're paying for that approval. They're paying for that jock. You know, all of that money is still filtering down to South Africa. And we've got more money coming in. It's called foreign direct investment. That's what it is. And it's still taxed in South Africa. They don't leave with all of that money.
Bro, I'm for the culture, dog. I'm a piano. Where my piano started, dog. This lady probably never been to, dog.
She's been there. She went everywhere. She's done her research.
Yeah, she was just trying to
even with her in the club.
She was just trying to colonize people. No.
Taki spoke about speaking to her and how much time she spent in the hood. You did say that.
Oh, yeah.
You did meet Money Penny.
Doesn't make you any black, bro. Doesn't mean you understand our struggles, dog.
So your problem is that she's white.
You don't understand our struggles, dog.
Okay, I don't think...
You don't understand our struggles.
She needs to understand our struggle to understand that there's an opportunity in us not struggling anymore. And the opportunity is here, bringing in foreign direct investment, and I'd like more of it to come in, right? For us to compete against them.
So you're saying we don't have white people in South Africa?
What I'm trying to say is
that can afford these events and make sure these events become
Rolling Loud.
successful.
If he brings Rolling Loud to South Africa, he's going to need South African hip-hop artists, South African service providers. Even if he brings a whole American lineup, he brings the Travis Scotts and whoever else it is, South African service providers are still going to be making money out of that thing. And I don't mind him bring that event here. Why? Because we're a beacon for the rest of Africa. Piano people is not going to go to Nigeria because they can't sell tickets in Nigeria. They're not going to go to Kenya. They're not going to go to any of these countries. So these festivals coming into South Africa makes us much more competitive than these other countries. It means that those countries can't have a trade exchange like we can have. The reason why Maphorisa does a trade exchange with Money Penny and he gets onto the stages in New York and wherever else in the world that they've done collaborations in is because he gives her a market in South Africa that she can tap into. And it's a trade exchange. And if we don't have that trade exchange, then we don't have anything of value to offer. That's why Nigeria is suffering. That's why all these other countries can't export a genre. They can tell people, yes, we've got big numbers. Lots of people in our country are listening to this nonsense, right? Or lots of people from our country are listening to this nonsense everywhere else in the world, but they can't get into those markets and become part of the mainstream in those markets because they don't have a base themselves. That's why Tyler is able to be exportable, because they know that even if her music doesn't top the charts in America. She's still got 2 million people in South Africa that are going to stream her album on the first day, or whatever the case may be. You know what I mean? 500,000, or whatever the case may be. But there's still a viable market in South Africa that's making them money. Otherwise, kick out Spotify then. Kick out Apple Music. Kick out all these things that pay you money.
Of course, I don't mind if you can kick them out and build a South African system of us streaming our own music and distributing.
Won't have
That's
the
fine.
international market. They won't have the 1 billion people that are on Spotify. They don't have that. They'll have the 50 million people in South Africa, and that means a smaller pool of money to make for the artists.
No, Charles, come on, bro. You've been in businesses that when they started...
All I'm saying
hold on.
Yeah?
You've been in businesses that started very small and they went big. You've been there, bro. So
Yeah.
we're going to have to start somewhere, dog.
I understand. We need to start somewhere.
Even you come with that thing, Bahamba, you are hoping to start somewhere.
Okay.
That's why you are
What I'm trying to
complaining
say is
about the
that
consequences.
if there's 100 rand in the South African economy. There's 100 rand. These people are bringing 20 pounds on top of the 100 rand, bringing $5 on top of the 100 rand. So now we've got 100 rand, 20 pounds, and $5. It's much better. And now South Africa gets to split the 100 rand, 20 pounds, and $5 instead of us just fighting over this 100 rand. That's keeping us down. So that's why I'm saying more foreign direct investment. We need the foreign direct investment, but at the same time, our South African guys can't rest on their laurels because international guys are coming into this market and making money, and they're going to squeeze you out of your own spot. I don't mind competing, dog. I feel like I'm better than any of these
Hey, man, I'm
internationals.
still going to say it, man. If you are not a white South African, mabahambe nabo. Simple, dog.
Let's vote. We're going to have two people in the room, bro. Everybody's gone. As I'm saying to you, it feels lonely. It's Newa and Shane. Shane? Nota, one. Newa? Sfiso, one.
So it's a tiebreaker.
If you managed to watch this video up until where we are, thank you so much. Let's talk about the last clip. The last clip is the clip from Music Pulse, the one that I referred to in the beginning of this video, whereby Abo Putus Fiso, Nabo Nota, they were just having their podcast. They happened to speak about what is currently happening in the music industry and also here in South Africa. So if you want to watch the whole episode, you can go to Podcast and Chill Agamechi and look for Music Pulse. Today's episode, because I'm recording this video today, you're gonna be seeing it tomorrow morning. So yeah, it was just a new episode that was there today. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time with another video.